Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be recreating a look that my good friend here on YouTube, Raven, created. And here is that look. We are collabing today. She is actually going to be recreating one of the makeup looks that I've done. We both picked some of these from our Instagrams. So I will have her channel and her video linked down below for you. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. So I've already kind of set my eyes. I have the tape on to kind of get the shape that she generally has when she does her makeup. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off in the Carity palette, and I'm just going to use a few shades to kind of build up my crease and do things like that. I think I'm going to start off in Coquette. And I'm just going to use this as a transition shade. I'm going to use this guy here. And this is kind of a peachy. If you notice, she did a deep red kind of in the crease, and I'm going to be building and working towards getting that red shade ready to go. Again, this is the shade I'm dipping into, just in case I didn't show you. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this thing. I was super excited to kind of go in and give this an attempt. I love a lot of the looks Raven creates. And then I'm actually going to go into my Beach Cosmetics Smoky Eye Palette. I'm going to take this red shade here. We're just going to start making it red. So I just also wanted to apologize because I did notice that in the video I posted first this week that I forgot to include the picture. Luckily, the picture of the look is the thumbnail, but seriously, I've been told myself after I did that one, you have to edit this, Danielle. Like, not even kidding. Told myself that. I don't know what was going on in my mind. I was just like, oh, I got a video done. I have to get it up. I seriously think that's what it was. So, you know. You live, you learn, you YouTube. Okay, so this is not quite the red that she used, but I'm going to go in and kind of build it up with this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Porter, and I'm going to try my best to kind of blend this in because the red she used is a little different. So we're just going to see how this works, and if it doesn't, well, you know, I think it'll kind of give it that semblance of what she kind of had going on in hers. I'm very excited to see, because we showed each other which looks we picked and everything before we did this, and I'm very excited to kind of see what she did with the one she picked. It'll be very interesting. Just because we both like similar things in makeup, but we also both just have like different products and different things that we, you know, gravitate towards. And it's kind of interesting seeing how other people interpret things. So that's what I'm excited about. Okay, so now that I think have a very similar red. It's probably not exact, but I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it. I want to go in and take a different blending brush here and take that kind of orangey shade, and I just want to buff out the edges. So I'm going back into this shade here. That was a horrible way to show you. Apologize. And we're gonna go and blend it out. This might turn more into a look inspired by Raven. But that's also the fun of it, seeing how other people interpret what you do and kind of how they would do it on themselves. So, you know, we all don't do our makeup the same. We all don't live the same. We all don't do things the same. I mean, wouldn't that be interesting if we did? It wouldn't be interesting if we did. Put it that way. So now I'm going to go into the Carity palette. I'm going to use the shade Disturbia right here, and that is the black shade. And I'm going to start kind of working that into my outer V. This is where things get interesting, people. So I am just kind of setting that on there. And now I'm going to take a different brush, just kind of blend it. This is a very bold look, and that's one of the things I like about when Raven does her makeup. She usually goes bold. So do I, though. I like a bold eye look. Okay. I'll take this, just kind of blending everything together. Hopefully give it some shape. So the next thing I want to use is, so she kind of has that like goldy kind of color, and the thing that I have the best is this Medusa's Makeup Totally Baked eyeshadow in Bitchin'. And so I haven't used it in a while, and I usually don't use it as an eyeshadow, so let's go ahead and let's do this. I think it's coming across very similar to what she had. Not exact, but very similar. Okay. And then I can't remember if she had eyeliner on or not, so I'm just going to go ahead and do mascara, because that's a safe bet that she put mascara on. I didn't want to like I looked at the image before I started filming, and I really kind of wanted to go off of like what I remembered. Look at that, that's huge. This is the Smashbox Full Exposure mascara. But that's a little ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do my foundation and everything, and I'll have all of that stuff linked down below. I will be right back though. Okay, I am back, and I have Blocky the Super Brow, and this one actually looks decent, but I don't, eyebrows, whatever. So I'm going to actually use this Wet n Wild brush here, and I'm going to take the, the red in this palette and mix it with a little bit of the ColourPop, and I'm actually going to take that underneath on my lower lash line, because it just feels right. Okay, and I did put on highlight, blush, and did my contouring. The only thing I have left to do is try and match that lippy of hers. So I went with this. This is a matte lipstick, and it is from City color, and that's kind of what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and put this on the lips, and then I'm going to give you guys the full effect. I hope you're excited about that. Well, that was a very messy that was a very messy lipstick application. And look at that. But the way these lipsticks are, they're kind of hard to work with. So, can't be too mad at that. But this is the look that I ended up doing, inspired by / copying Raven's look. Here's her look again. What do you guys think? How did I do? I don't think I did that badly. Well, let me know what you guys think down below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to go check out Raven's video. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!